Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the most recently open Explorer windows keep popping up in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first method is that in the search box type a msconfig, open a system configuration, go to your services. Click on hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Click on apply and click on OK button. Go to your right click on a start menu and open a task manager and disable all running apps. After that, close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. Type a in the search bar, type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. After opening the tab, type a sfc /scan now and press enter. The scanning will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.